recording button. Welcome to one more episode of how to invest in the stock market. Market has been doing lot of ups and downs, and one doesn't know what to do. क्या करना चाहिए? Buy करना चाहिए, sell करना चाहिए? Because last 6 महीने में जो 2021 में कमाया था वो वापस जाने वाला सिस्टम हो गया है. So अब क्या करना है? How do you go about investing is a question which keeps on coming back again and again. कैसे मैं इन्वेस्ट कर सकता हूं? Whether it's the right time to invest or not, this is the question we are going to take today. Well, एक simple understanding आपको मैं बता दूंगा in terms of how to go about the whole thing, right? Let me share. Okay, so first thing first, what we are going to do is we are going to have a trade plan. Now what do you mean by trade plan? ये पहले हम लोग समझ लेते हैं ट्रेड प्लान क्या हो सकता है. या तो यहाँ पे हम लोग ट्रेड प्लान की जगह पे इन्वेस्टमेंट प्लान के बारे में बात करते हैं. ओके, तो इन्वेस्टमेंट प्लान क्या हो सकता है और उसको कैसे देखा जाएगा. तो फर्स्ट थिंग इज आपके पास आपका कैपिटल कितना है. सो पहली बात, आप कितने कैपिटल से इन्वेस्टमेंट करना चाहते हैं. That is a question mark, and what we are going to do is we are going to take a small example and then you can multiply जो भी है वो. Suppose आपके पास 1 लाख रुपया है इन्वेस्टमेंट के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से. ओके, आप अपने हिसाब से मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्टर को आप डाल सकते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. सो इनिशियली सपोज आपके पास 1 लाख रुपया है जो आपको इन्वेस्ट करना है. तो ये तो कंफर्म हो गया कि यहाँ पे 1 लाख रुपया है, तो लमसम एक साथ में पैसा डाल देना है, या जिसको बोलते हैं एसआईपी के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से वी वांट टू इन्वेस्ट. तो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू डिसाइड ऑन हाउ टू गो अबाउट द होल थिंग. क्लियर है, राइट? अभी सबसे बेस्ट एरिया कैसे होता है कि यू डिवाइड दिस फर्स्ट योर कैपिटल. सेकेंडली आपको जो प्लान ऑफ एक्शन होना चाहिए, प्लान ऑफ एक्शन इसमें सिंपल है. यू डिवाइड योर कैपिटल इनटू 10 पार्ट्स. क्लियर है? दैट मीन्स आपका 1 लाख रुपया है, उसको आपने डिवाइड किया है 10 पार्ट्स में. दैट मीन्स ये 10,000 से दिस इज योर फर्स्ट वे ऑफ गोइंग अबाउट. सी प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, हम लोग एक स्टेप बाय स्टेप सिस्टम बना रहे हैं और वो सिस्टम के हिसाब से हम लोग को काम करना है, राइट? सो व्हेन यू डिवाइड इट बाय 10 पार्ट्स, नाउ इज द understanding. You have to ask yourself where to invest. बहुत important. That means कहां पे हमको इन्वेस्ट करना है. There are so many things. Commodity है, gold है, silver है, equity है. So let's today talk only about the equity. Okay, in this right now I am not going to cover the mutual fund and all that, but let's understand कि अगर हमको सिर्फ और सिर्फ इक्विटी के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से हमको एंट्री लेनी है, राइट? सो प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दिस. व्हेन यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द इक्विटी, हाउ डू यू गो अबाउट इन टर्म्स ऑफ व्हाट टू डू, विच सेक्टर टू इन्वॉल्व. सो व्हाट यहाँ पे हम लोग फोर्थ जो पॉइंट है, हम जो सोचते हैं इज what is the which is the sector we should be investing, or which are the stocks we want to invest. So considering that you are starting the journey, right? You are just starting the journey, or you are totally new to this particular, right? So the best way is आपको ये क्वेश्चन आपको पूछना पड़े, right? Now whatever investment you want to do, that means you want to invest 10,000 rupees in one particular stock, right? What we need to do is we need to divide the base capital, that is 10,000 rupees, into 3 parts. Okay, so this is the system which I am following, because see, generally क्या होता है, as an investor, you don't know, you are not in front of the machine. Okay, and you know that, oh my God, मैं रह गया and the market has gone away or the price has gone away. अभी मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? So this is the question always. Okay, so this is the question which you need to ask yourself. Okay, इसको हम लोग divide by 3 part करते हैं. Then what is most important over here is the pyramid. Now let me explain to you the pyramid. Okay, so what is the pyramid and how to go about it? So pyramid is nothing but a triangle formation जहां पे you are going to have stocks, different stocks, right? Different sector. But the सबसे important चीज है यहाँ पे, what you are going to do is stocks which will give you dividend. सबसे लो जो बेस है of the triangle, इसमें stocks which are going to give dividend वाले stocks को आप पहले पिकअप कर लो, right? Second वाले जो stock है, okay, these are the stocks wherein you have dividend but not so good, and the stocks which will give you growth also. So we will discuss about this stocks also. And the last one is the growth. अभी just think about it. जो growth वाले stocks है वो आपको dividend नहीं देने वाले. Yes, and जो देंगे भी, तो suppose your investment is 2,000 rupees. Okay, they will hardly give you 10 rupees, 20 rupees, or even sometimes less in terms of dividend. So you will feel the pinch. Oh my God, मैं 2,000 investment किया, लेकिन मुझे पूरे साल में I am not even getting 20 rupees, 30 rupees off. But believe me, what is important is that these stocks which are there, they will run away very fast. While the stocks which are there at the bottom of this thing, they are the one which are very, very slow. So as and when you start your journey, okay, please do go through this particular pyramid and think about it. यहाँ पे आपको आपके इन्वेस्टमेंट का डिविडेंड मिलेगा, sometimes 6% to as good as 10% year on year. Plus you may get bonus also, which is an additional advantage at a later stage. So when you are now working on what stock to pick up, you have to clearly work on this particular pyramid. Your 10,000 rupees, what you are putting in, okay, you have to, the three part wala thing is, okay, 30% over here, 33% over here. Okay, is what you are going to push in. Now this is like balancing the whole thing. Okay, 33% will go in over here. Now how to go about investing, that is the most important. अभी प्राइस तो बहुत ऊपर भाग गया है या तो प्राइस एकदम नीचे आ गया, what to do, how to go about it, very important thing, right? So जो 10,000 rupees जो आपने है उसमें से first part, that is 3,000 rupees, 3,300 का इन्वेस्टमेंट आप जो भी स्टॉक में इन्वेस्ट immediately. You don't know, as far as technicals are concerned, you don't know what is going on, but you want to be in the market, you don't want to be left out. Okay, so just put that money. Okay, technically I will say 33%. Okay, let's not go by the this thing, but 33% आप इन्वेस्ट कर लो जो भी आपको स्टॉक अच्छा लगे. Just to give you an example, say स्टॉक डिविडेंड वाला स्टॉक है, ग्रोथ नहीं है. Okay, lot of PSU are giving good dividends. Okay, or let us take an example of say ITC, जो किसी को अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था अभी तक, लेकिन ये साल में अच्छा लग रहा है. Okay, they give you a dividend also, and slow and steady movement भी होता है. Okay, maybe REC, no movements practically, लेकिन dividend अच्छा मिलता है. Okay, so you will have to find out stocks where you are going to get good dividend, लेकिन उसके movements बहुत ही slow होते, बहुत slow होते, but they give good dividend. Maybe अभी जो अभी recently IOC ने dividend भी दिया. Okay, and it also gave you the bonus. Okay, this is just an example, not this thing to buy or sell anything. Okay, so these are the examples which we are taking. So we will have to find out the stocks wherein you are going to have a strong base, dividend base. Clear on this? Right? Now the next is the one which will give us the dividend and the growth. देखिए, growth वाले जो भी stocks है, let's understand the growth वाले stocks. Okay, let's understand the growth वाले stocks. So the growth वाले stocks are the one which actually they will not give you a dividend. Maybe all the frontliners, okay, A group वाले, most of the A groups, and definitely B group में भी है. Okay, so यहाँ से हमको growth वाले stocks, but not the small वाले stocks, okay, not the penny stocks, okay, but यहाँ पे maybe you can find out from Nifty 50 or Nifty 100, okay, जो growth वाले हैं. Let's take an example, maybe Bajaj Finance or FinServ. Okay, maybe HDFC or a bank or HDFC. Maybe we can use Tata Elxsi. Okay, so these are the stocks which are not going to give you as good as dividend, but उसकी growth बहुत fast है, वो fast moving है. Okay, and the last and the final one is where you want to invest as far as your dividend and the growth is concerned. Okay, जो slow and steady बढ़ने वाले हैं, maybe mid caps which can go up and become a large cap. So this is the triangle which you have to follow. Okay, अभी यहाँ पे देखिए, most of the time this are the stocks which practically when the Nifty will go up, these are the first one to go up. अभी ध्यान रखना, large caps का जो drop है will be most of the time related to Nifty. Okay, maybe they are in the Nifty 50. Now in this, what you need to do is you need to find out the sector which is currently in demand. जैसे last month में, while the Nifty was falling, the IT sector was falling very badly. Okay, banking was also not doing good. Definitely a drop was there. But one sector which was doing quite well was the auto sector. Do you agree on this? Now, the things have changed. Now see the way the rotation happens. This month, while the Nifty started to move up, the bank Nifty started to move up. Okay, auto sector, which was doing quite well in the last month. Okay, now this is July 2022. Now I am talking about June 2022. Auto sector was keeping the Nifty afloat, and this in the last 1 week itself, the auto sector is now in a correction mode. Right. So this is the understanding of how the Nifty is been playing the game, or we can call this as a management. So only thing you need to understand is which are the sectors which are running, which are the sectors which are being beaten down. Okay, and when the turnaround is going to happen, when the turnaround is going to happen, you don't know how to go about it. Okay, just wait. Okay, when the fall, which is already more than 15%, 16% as far as Nifty is concerned, and abhi jo moment aaya. Okay, so now the thing is, should I buy or फिर से नीचे गिरने वाला है? So what we can actually do is, okay, let me save this picture. ये बाद में post करेंगे. What we actually need to do is कि that 33% का investment, whatever you want to do, whichever sector you want to add, whichever stock you want to buy, you are buying this particular thing. Divide. So we have divided into 3 parts. Immediately buying, which is what is going to stop you from that anxiety. Correct? Then wait for 3 weeks. 3 weeks to add into 33%. And then after 3 months. Now this is the system. Since you are investing, you don't know how much it will go down further, how much it is going to go up, you don't know. लेकिन एक anxiety पहले तो निकल जाएगी, because I'm going to follow a particular set of rules for my investment purpose. Okay, now there'll be a time when you were able to get something right at the bottom. Okay, एकदम bottom में हमको कोई stock मिल गया, 3 हफ्ते के बाद में it has gone up significantly, and you are buying, you are adding into the position. Okay, so it is good. Even when you are buying at a higher price, it is perfectly all right. Now you got to wait for 3 months. Why I'm saying this 3 months? Because अगर वो नीचे आ रहा है in terms of correction and market going down, you get a chance to re-enter, maybe at a lower. Buying something which is going up at a higher thing, it is perfectly all right. Now, after 3 months, maybe quarterly result aaya, price has gone down, and you were able to buy at a lower stage, it is also perfectly all right. So this is how the things work as far as your investments are concerned. Please think about it. I'm not talking about trading. Okay, trading is a different game altogether. The time frame is different, everything is different. Now in this case, what you also need to do is you need to only look at 2 charts, the daily chart and the weekly charts, no other chart. Okay, agar daily mein you want to buy something, because it is low, एक resistance and support बना के रखो. Okay, और simple rule is जो भी अभी buy करना है वो buy कर लो, महंगा है सस्ता है, don't think about it. So part of the money goes in. Now in this, again very important is यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है कि you will only and only invest your 50,000. That means 50% of your investment आपका 1 लाख रुपए में आप maximum one shot में invest करते हो, not more than 50%. Okay, and then you are waiting for the next opportunity, maybe 3 weeks or 3 months wala. Okay, this is the system which is simple to understand. Okay, and simple to implement. The point is हम लोग दुनिया को देख के हम लोग अपना इन्वेस्टमेंट करते हैं. अरे ये अच्छा लग रहा है, ये चल रहा है, ये नहीं चल रहा है, you know, and when the price starts to fall, you don't know when to even exit. So investment is a game wherein you are going to hold the thing for at least nothing less than 3 to 5 years minimum. The more the better. बट अगर आप 3 से 5 साल का होराइजन से आप इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं करने वाले हो तो नहीं चलेगा. नाउ देयर आर टाइम्स व्हेन जैसे ये टाइम मार्केट ने करेक्शन किया, राइट? नाउ व्हाट टू डू, हाउ टू गो अबाउट इट? ओके, देन देयर इज आल्सो अ रूल फॉर एग्जिट्स आल्सो. ओके, अभी यहाँ पे एग्जिट रूल समझाने का टाइम नहीं है. ओके, बट sometimes later we will also understand how to exit a particular trade or investment. कहां पे हमको exit करना चाहिए. The point is this is the simple rule wherein आपका पोर्टफोलियो बनाने के लिए ये इजी हो जाता है. एक सिस्टम आपको मिल जाती है wherein there are stocks. Okay, there will be stocks which are not moving, but they give you a dividend which is good enough. Now there are stocks which will move also, and maybe they will not be growth wale stocks. And the last one is the one which are really ग्रोथ वाले स्टॉक्स. मूवमेंट उसकी अच्छी होती है. यहाँ पे आपका जो पोर्टफोलियो है, ओके, यहाँ पे ग्रो करता है. while this will give you some income which will be good enough. Okay, so while the portfolio grows, okay, what you can do is whichever stocks which are now moving, अभी अपने पास 50,000 बचा हुआ है. Okay, you can now add into your positions as far as your 3 weeks are concerned. जो स्टॉक चल रहे हैं उसमें आप ऐड करिए. Clear? Now, if these stocks are moving, you can add into this stock also. Not a problem. So add the one which is moving. Okay. And the best part is you come to know ये stock चल रहा है. Now, please understand, I have not talked about the small stock at all in this particular case, because initial stage mein what you want is your portfolio to be strong. Understand this. अगर आपका portfolio strong होगा, please remember this. पहले निफ्टी चलती है. First the nifty move. That means all the sectors related to the nifty वो पहले move करते हैं और इसमें से हम लोग strong stocks को pick up करना बहुत important हो जाता है. Okay, strong stock को हमको pick up करना बहुत important है. Because even while the nifty has gone up, bank nifty has gone up, okay, your small stock, yes bank वाले, you know, the small stock जो जिसकी मूवमेंट में भी 5 साल में एक बार आती है, वो वाले स्टॉक को नहीं मूव करने वाले हैं. सो प्लीज अवॉइड दिस व्हेन यू आर बिल्डिंग अप योर पोर्टफोलियो. ओके, you are looking at a strong sector and you are looking at the strongest amongst the sector. This will help you mentally prepare for a long term investment. Okay, growth wale, maybe the price is high, fine, not a problem, but when the sector will move, when the nifty will move, they are the first one to move. Problem is we are looking at 5 rupees and 10 rupees वाला स्टॉक डबल हो जाएगा और मैं करोड़पति बनूंगा. ऐसा कभी नहीं होता है, ऐसा कभी नहीं होता. Okay, so as an investor, what you want is that you want your portfolio to be strong, at the same time giving you some return so that you stay in that portfolio for a long period of time, which will give you the growth, which will give you a mental peace, rather than छोटे स्टॉक में जो मे बी 5 साल तक उसका मूवमेंट ही नहीं होगा. So what is the fun out? They will not even give you dividend. What is the fun out? Okay, but when the market falls, they are the first one to fall, and they will fall bad, which will not be good. Okay, अभी just think about it. जो small cap है, while the nifty is at the peak, okay, these are the ones which are the laggers. They will run up only when the nifty is at a very high. और फिर वहां पे जब भी निफ्टी प्लस माइनस करते रहता है, तभी जाके स्मॉल कैप्स और दुनिया चलना शुरू हो जाती है. And when the nifty ends the move, okay, they are the ones which will drop like a rocket. वो gravitational force के तरह they will drop maybe 40%, 50%, more than 80%, because you will not understand what is happening. While this small, जो भी अच्छा लगता है, multi baggers and all that, when they crash very badly, which will kill your portfolio and does not allow you to be in the market for a long period of time. So guys, this is the understanding as far as the market is concerned, as far as the growth is concerned. एक example के point of view से, okay, एक example के point of view से, simple rules को follow करिए. Okay, you can add into your winners. Think about it. When you have bought a particular stock, you can add into a winner. इसको हम लोग pyramiding बोलते हैं. Pyramiding while the price is moving up. but you cannot pyramid when the price is going down. जब भी स्टॉक नीचे जाता है तभी आप उसमें ऐड मत करना. Doesn't make sense. And this is where your capital gets locked. We don't want to lock our capital. Okay, we want the portfolio to go smoothly, strongly, and as the Nifty goes high, our portfolio should also grow along with the Nifty. Right? So just opening out, unmuting everyone. In case you have any questions, we will take up the questions. Okay, save kar leta hu ye. Chalo, we have another 4 minutes to go. We can take up the questions, if any. I'll just help everyone to unmute. Okay, chalo. Questions? Ask. If you have not understood this pyramid, this is the base. Okay, this is the base which I normally look at. Okay, and this is the beauty of how to go about the whole thing, rather than thinking, oh my god, मैं तो side में बैठ गया and market भाग गई and now I don't know what to do. Now where do I start? This is the best way to go about. This is the best way to go about. The point is, all your money should not be stuck into a particular sector. So you can select maybe 5 sectors, maybe 4 sectors. Max to max, in your portfolio, you should not have more than 20 stocks. पहली बात है. Okay, I would put in as, जैसे हम लोग का क्रिकेट टीम है, okay, 15 to 16 stocks only. Not more than that, because you will be able to monitor this 15-16 stocks very easily. अगर 100 स्टॉक भी रख लिया, जो स्टॉक में आपने पैसा कम इन्वेस्ट किया वो स्टॉक भाग रहा है, दूसरे लोग हिल ही नहीं रहे, it doesn't make sense at all. So maximum, okay, 15 to 16 stocks. Okay, if you feel okay, I want 20, go about it, but that should be the maximum limit on. That's it. So 15 to 16 stock के ऊपर concentrate करिए. Okay, add to your winners. Okay, push yourself little harder. Now you say कि भाई मेरा 1 लाख का investment है, मैं every 6 months I want to add 1 more lakh. Fine, use the same technique. Okay, जब भी आप ये 15-16 स्टॉक में देखेंगे कि एक या तो 2 स्टॉक नहीं परफॉर्म कर रहा है. Okay, so the best way to do is, अगर वो स्टॉक अगर परफॉर्म नहीं कर रहा है तो उसको बाहर निकालो and bring in 1 more stock wherein you will find growth and functioning. Okay, is this clear? So what to do, how to go about is very, very important. Okay, and the way of investment is, okay, you are going to hold this for nothing less than 3 years to 5 years. Yes, in between में profit booking कर सकते हो, लेकिन when the correction comes in, you can again add into the same stock because you are going to monitor it for 3 to 5 years minimum. So I hope today I was able to make you understand how to go about investing in the market. Okay, don't be greedy and don't be afraid. Main thing is you cannot be afraid of taking an entry. So whatever you want to buy, go ahead and buy, but 33%. Remember that rule. And also remember the triangle formation. This is what you want. The base, very strong. Okay, and the top one, wherein the growth will be there. So your profits will be seen and your portfolio growing. I am signing off. This is Mayuur Sampatj, Indian Turtles. Love you all. Take care and happy investing. Please note, it is your hard-earned money. Okay, you need to take care of it. Nobody else will. See you next time. How to exit your portfolio, when to exit your stock. Bye-bye. Take care. Please subscribe to Mayuur Sampatj channel and forward this video, which I'm going to upload. In case somebody is not was not able to make it, okay, please do that. If there was a value, please give a thumbs up. Bye-bye. See you next time.